Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine, students. Yes, beta. Today we will discuss do it yourself part. And students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 6 to 11. And now, students, let's discuss do it yourself part. Look at the pictures given below and write two things that you can see happening right now. Means present continuous tense. Two things that you think might have happened before this scene, and two things that the doer might do after the scene. Yes, students, first example, the lady is scolding the dog is listening to the lady. It's present continuous, students. Then beta, the dog was barking and the lady was getting trouble. It's past continuous beta. And third one, students, the dog will be sitting quietly and the lady will be doing her work. It's future continuous. Now beta, look at this picture beta and then try to frame sentences. Okay, first one, students, we can frame like this beta. The man is scolding the girl. The girl is listening to the man. The girl was playing guitar. The man was telling about thrown things. The girl will be sitting quietly and the man will be doing his work. Okay, the man is scolding the girl. The girl is listening to the man. The girl was playing guitar. The man was telling about thrown things. The girl will be sitting quietly and the man will be doing his work. Like this, students, frame sentences. Now, students, look at this picture and try to frame sentences better. Two sentences should be in present continuous. Two sentences should be in past continuous and two sentences should be in future continuous. For example, students, we can write down like this beta. The boy is talking to the girl. The girl is listening to the boy. The boy was listening to the music and the girl was eager to listen to the music. The boy will be sitting quietly and the girl will be listening, or we can say enjoying to the music. Like this, students, you can frame sentences as per your wish. Okay beta, according to your thinking, as per your wish beta, write down here sentences. Okay beta. Now beta, let's move on to the part 2. There is an error in each of the following sentences. Underline the errors and then beta rewrite the sentences correctly. The first one has been done for you. Yes बेटा, जितनी भी sentences given है बेटा आपको, इन सभी में कोई ना कोई error है बेटा, mistake है, कोई गलती है. ओके, अब आपको बेटा क्या करना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा find out them, mistakes को find करिए, then बेटा underline them. ओके, after underline, students, then rewrite the sentences. Okay, then beta rewrite complete sentences. Okay, for example, students, first one is given to us. Mr. Arya are working in the laboratory. Here beta Mr. Arya, हम एक person की बात कर रहे हैं बेटा. We are talking about singular. So beta helping verb should be singular, but हमने यहाँ क्या use कर रहे हैं बेटा? Are. So it's wrong. जब एक पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं बेटा और हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो हम यहाँ पर क्या यूज़ करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? इज़. मिस्टर आर्या इज़ वर्किंग. सो अंडरलाइन द वर्ड आर बेटा. ओके, एंड रीप्लेस इट स्टूडेंट्स विद इज़. अंडरलाइन करिए बेटा आर को एंड देन बेटा राइट डाउन द करेक्ट सेंटेंस लाइक दिस बेटा. मिस्टर आर्या इज़ वर्किंग इन द लैबोरेटरी. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, सेकेंड वन. स्नूपी इज़ स्लीप इन द गार्डन. Underline the word sleep. It should be sleeping. Okay, Snoopy is sleeping in the garden. Then beta part C. When Mr. Wade peeped into Mr. Arya's house, Nikki was watch TV. Nikki was watch TV. It's wrong. Watching. Underline the word watch beta. Watch को underline करिए students and write down the correct verb here, watching. Okay, when Mr. Wade peeped into Mr. Arya's house, Nikki was watching TV. Nikki and Sid will be gone to a picnic on Sunday. Will be gone. Gone is incorrect here, students. Underline the verb gone and write down going. Okay. Replace करिए students gone को by going. Nikki and Sid will be going to a picnic on Sunday. And next students, last one. I is eating lunch. I के साथ बेटा is आएगा. Am or are? What should be there बेटा? I के साथ am. I am eating lunch. So underline the word is and write down beta am. I am eating lunch. Okay beta. Now beta, let's move on to the third part. Read the following sentences carefully and one word is missing in each sentence. Identify the gap. Mark a slash and put the missing word in the given space. Write down the missing word in the given space, students. The first one has been done for you. Yes students, इन सभी sentences में बेटा कोई ना कोई word missing है. आपको find करना है बेटा कहाँ से word missing है, and then students put a slash there. जहाँ से कोई बेटा word missing है वहाँ आपको क्या करना, एक slash यूज़ करना है. ओके, put a slash और we can say mark a slash. Suppose students हम बोलते हैं I am a girl. अगर मैं बोलूँ बेटा I a girl तो ये रॉन्ग हो गया ना बेटा. तो क्या मिसिंग हुआ इसमें से, I am. तो हम I के बाद बेटा क्या लगाएंगे, स्लैश. मीन्स यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए बेटा, I am. ओके, I am a girl, I am a boy, like this. Okay students, now let's start बेटा. First one is given to us students. I shall, then slash is here. I shall be going to the market tomorrow. Second one students, Nikki was sleeping. Put a slash here students after Nikki. Nikki के बाद slash करिए students. Put a slash here. Nikki was sleeping. And write down word was in the space provided to you students. Okay. Nikki was sleeping. Nikki was sleeping when we reached home. Then beta part C. Mr. Ved was trying. Put a slash here students after Mr. Ved. Mr. Ved was trying to jump over the wall when he fell down. Part D students. You will be going. After will. Put a slash beta and write down the word be. Okay. You will be going. Okay. You will be going to the school tomorrow as per the instructions. Then beta. Snoopy was sleeping. Okay. Put a slash students after Snoopy. Snoopy was sleeping in the sun when Nikki threw a pen at him. Like this students, complete this part. Okay beta, I hope students it's clear to you now. Now beta, let's move on to the tenses part third. It's lesson number 7 taken from your practice book. Yes students, it's perfect tenses. Okay, perfect tenses. Read the following dialogue between Mrs. Arya and Nikki. Mrs. Arya, have you eaten your food? Nikki, yes mom, I have eaten my food. Mrs. Arya, have you finished your homework? Nikki, I have finished my homework, but Sid has not done it. Mrs. Arya, have you prepared milk for yourself? Nikki, mom, I had prepared milk for myself. Mama, मैंने अपने लिए milk prepare किया था. I had. But Snoopy hit me and spilled the whole glass. उसे सारा का सारा गिलास जो खिंडा दिया, spilled कर दिया. Mrs. Arya, have you done anything new in your class? Nikki, mom, we have decorated our class for the New Year celebrations. We collected some money last month. We have decided that we will purchase a cake with that money. The teacher has also permitted us to do so. Mrs. Arya, but I told you not to waste time on such senseless things. You have already wasted your vacation and have not finished your syllabus. Don't you remember that you scored only 65% marks last year? Nikki, don't worry, mom. I have learnt all the answers. I have decided to work hard and stand first in my class this year. Read the verbs given in bold carefully, and after comparing them with the verbs given in the tense chart, identify the tense. Okay, which tense chart? Which you have done in chapter number 5. Okay, tense chart, identify the tense that these verbs belong to. Yes, beta, have eaten, have finished, have decorated, has permitted, have decided. These all are in present perfect tense. Okay, beta, these all are in present perfect tense. And beta, had decided, it's in past perfect. Okay, had decided or had prepared, it's in past tense. Yes, beta, remember, present perfect tense is used to describe a past action linked with the present moment. And beta, in present perfect tense, have is used with I, you and a plural subject. बेटा हम present perfect tense में have का कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं बेटा? I के साथ, you के साथ and a plural subject. For example बच्चे, I have got up. I के साथ हम has नहीं यूज़ करेंगे बेटा, have. I have. Okay. I have got up. They have gone home. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Arya, it's plural subject. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Arya have gone. We use have. Now beta, has is used with a third person singular subject. Okay. Has is used with a third person singular subject. Third person beta क्या आएगा? He, she, it. Okay. Any name students there may be. For example students, Simran has drawn the picture. Okay, Simran is a name. She has slept, singular. Okay, remember, has is used with a third person singular subject. Let's move on to the worksheet number 1. Tick the correct words. The first one has been done for you. Lata finished her homework. Has or have. Two options are given to you, beta. टिक द करेक्ट वर्ड्स. ओके, लता बेटा सिंगुलर है, वन पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं हम, तो बेटा हम किस पे टिक करेंगे? हैज़. लता हैज़ फिनिश्ड हर होमवर्क. देन बेटा आई ड्रंक द मिल्क. हैज़ या हैव? आई के साथ हमने क्या यूज़ करना था बेटा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में? हैव. आई हैव ड्रंक द मिल्क. नेक्स्ट बेटा, तानशी हैज़ क्लीन्ड हर रूम. सिंगुलर है तो बेटा हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? हैज़. देन बेटा चिराग एंड सिपी, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट हो गया बेटा, टू पर्सन्स हैं तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे बेटा? हैव. चिराग एंड सिपी हैव बॉट द टॉयज. फिफ्थ वन बेटा, यू हैव given me a lovely gift. You have given me a lovely gift. And sixth one student, Sanya has. It's singular subject, so put has. Okay, Sanya has brought a new bicycle. First one students, Lata has finished her homework. Then I have drunk the milk. Tanshi has cleaned her room. Chirag and Sippy have bought the toys. You have given me a lovely gift. Sanya has brought a new bicycle. Like this, students, try to complete this worksheet. Let's move on to the worksheet number 2. In the unit Hobbies of English Reader, you have read about various books written by different authors. List the name of the authors and the books they have written. The first one has been done for you. Yes, student, first one, R.K. Narayan has written Swami and Friends. Then beta V.S. Naipaul has written An Area of Darkness. Salman Rushdie has written Satanic Verses. Arundhati Roy has written The God of Small Things. Like this, students, try to complete this worksheet. Okay, now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 3. Some people in the pictures given on the next page are making telephone calls to their friends. Using the words given in the box below, try to make out what they are saying. The first one has been done for you. Yes, student, first one beta, I have broken my tooth with has, have and had better. We use third form of the verb. Okay. I have broken my tooth. Second one, students, I have got an appointment letter. And last one, students, I have lost my books. Like this, students, try to complete worksheet 1, 2, 3. And next, students, try remaining worksheets. Okay, try remaining worksheets of this chapter and complete worksheet 1, 2, 3. That's all for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day.